Ever wondered what tools are essential for every mechanic? Well, ponder no more. Today, we delve into the world of car repairs, exploring the 5 must-have tools that make the work of a mechanic smooth and efficient. First on the list is the socket set. A mechanic's best friend, the socket set is a versatile tool that can handle a variety of tasks. From removing bolts to tightening nuts, this tool is a Swiss Army knife in a mechanic's toolbox. It's not just about having a socket set, though. It's about having a comprehensive one. A good set includes both metric and standard sizes, deep and shallow sockets, and a ratchet to drive them. The socket set is truly the backbone of any car repair job. Next up is the wrench set. Just like the socket set, the wrench set is a crucial component of any mechanic's toolkit. Wrenches come in handy when a bolt is hard to reach or when the space is too tight for a ratchet and socket. A set that includes both open-ended and box-ended wrenches in various sizes will ensure you're prepared for any situation. Third on our list is the screwdriver set. Screws are a common fixture in cars, and having a reliable set of screwdrivers is non-negotiable. A comprehensive screwdriver set should include both flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers in multiple sizes. However, a mechanic's screwdriver set isn't just for turning screws. These tools can also be used for prying, scraping, and even chiseling when the need arises. Coming in at number 4 is the pliers set. Pliers serve multiple functions in a mechanic's world. From removing clips and pins to bending and cutting wires, pliers are a mechanic's go-to tool. A good pliers set should include a variety of types such as needle nose, side cutting, and slip joint pliers. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the multimeter. This tool may not be as physically imposing as the others, but its value is immeasurable. A multimeter is used to measure electrical values like voltage, current, and resistance. In the modern age where cars are getting more and more electrical components, a multimeter is a must-have tool for diagnostics and troubleshooting. In summary, the socket set, wrench set, screwdriver set, pliers set, and multimeter form the quintessential toolkit for any mechanic. These tools not only facilitate the repair process, but also ensure accuracy and efficiency. They are the lifeline of car repairs, the unspoken heroes that make the mechanic's job possible. Without these tools, a mechanic is like a painter without a brush, a writer without a pen. Each tool has its unique purpose, and together they form the symphony that is car repair. So, the next time you see a mechanic at work, remember, it's not just about skill and knowledge. It's also about having the right tools for the job.